Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Steam games' slow download speed. Alright, so let's begin with the video. There are a number of reasons why your Steam downloads might be slow, so I'm going to walk you through a few things you can try to hopefully increase your download speed. The first thing you want to do inside Steam once you're logged in is go to the top left corner, click on Steam, and then select Settings. From there, go to the Downloads section in the left-hand menu. A couple of important things to check here. Make sure your download region is set to the one closest to where you live, as this ensures you're connected to the right server. Also, check that the option to limit download speed is turned off. Another useful option is throttle downloads while streaming. Try turning that off as well, since it can restrict speeds to preserve playback quality. You can also scroll down and click Clear Download Cache, which can sometimes fix issues with downloads or app updates. Once done, close the settings and see if your download speed improves. Another thing you can try is checking what other apps might be using your internet. From your desktop, go to the taskbar search box and type Resource Monitor. Open it up and click on the Network tab. Here, you'll see all the apps currently using your connection, with the heaviest users listed at the top. If you see things like Chrome, Spotify, or other applications that you aren't actively using, right-click them and select End Process. This will free up bandwidth and allow Steam to use more of your connection. It's also worth mentioning that sometimes the issue isn't on your end, but with Steam itself. To check this, you can visit a site like steamstats.us. While it's not an official Steam site, it does give a good overview of whether there are server issues in your region. If everything shows as green, your problem is likely local. But if it shows outages or problems, you'll just need to wait until servers are back up and stable. And that's it. So that is how you can fix Steam games' slow download speed. So that's all for this video. Thanks.